I have a new electric weed puller to share today. This one is a 21-volt battery, which has a pretty good battery life on it. And all you got to do is just pretty much stab the weed, give it a little spin, and it should rip it right up. I have another one that's pretty similar. It does work for quite a few weeds. So let's say you got a dandelion or something you want to rip out of the ground. It'll yank it right out. So a close-up demo, hit it in the middle, give it a spin, and it will rip it up by the root. It works best for these types of roots. But if you're looking for an electric weeder that could easily pull up and rip up some weeds for you, you don't have to work quite as hard. It's not going to work for all the weeds, but it will work for some of the bigger ones, and it will work for even some of these vines. But this is the electric weed puller.